In this video we will make a face-based family of roof tiles using a generic model template and a face-based family template. Open a generic model template file. At the reference level, place reference planes on either sides of both the planes. Place aligned dimensions between the three planes and press equal. Place aligned dimensions between the new planes and create the dimension parameters for the widths along the two sides. Name the reference planes as front and back planes. Open the Create tab and press Set Plane, and from the drop-down select the front plane and go to Left Elevation. Select the reference line and select the Center Ends Arc tool and place two arcs as shown. Select the arcs and check the box center mark visible and align the two centers to the two planes. Also create new radii parameters for the two arcs. Create a new parameter for the thickness th and write R2 is equal to R1 minus th. Join the endpoints of the arcs with the reference lines. Write R1 is equal to W2 divided by 2. In the same way, create another pair of arcs at the back reference plane. Name the radii parameters as R3 and R4. Write R3 is equal to R1 minus 20 or any other relation so that R3 always changes according to R1. Create a blend with the two semicircular profiles as the top and the base of the blend. Check if all the dimensions are working fine. Hold the form and create a material parameter. This file is going to be loaded into another file which is also a generic model type. Open a generic model template and at the ref level place a reference plane as shown here. Place an aligned dimension between the two planes and create a new parameter. This is the distance between the two elements of the array that we are going to make. Go back to the first file. Write the R3 equal to R1 multiplied by a fraction. So whenever R1 changes, R3 changes automatically as per this relation. Load this file into the second file. Align the centers of the tile with the two ref planes and lock. Hold the tile and create the new associate parameters for all the parameters of the first file. Hold the tile and create an array. Tick the Move to Second box and uncheck the Constrain box. Align the centers of the tile with the ref planes and lock. When any component of the array is held, the number parameter bar is seen. Press the bar and create a number parameter for the array. Check to see if all the parameters are working fine. Create a new file, generic model facebased, and load the array file into this file. Place a reference plane as shown and place an aligned dimension between the two planes and create a parameter for the array distance in Y direction. Align the centers of the array of the two planes as shown and lock. Hold the array and create the corresponding associate parameters for the parameters of the second file. Check to see if all is working fine. Hold the array and create an array in the other direction in the same manner as the first array and lock the centers to the respective planes and create a number parameter for the Y direction. We forgot to create an associate material parameter in the second file, so we can go back as shown here. Hold the array and edit group and hold the array again and press Edit Family. Inside the second family, hold the tile and create an associate material parameter. In the third file, hold the array and create an associate parameter again. Press the tick mark for the array. Apply material if needed. This face-based family is loaded into a project file. Create a new project file and place a roof at the level 2. Load the face-based family into the project file. Place the tile array at the face of the roof and rotate if required. I forgot to create an associate parameter for the array in X direction. It is possible to go back and edit the groups and families and load back into this file. Apply material as required. Please like, share and subscribe.